I think most of you will relate if you have a SUV, a Mercedes SUV, which is R Class 350, whatever model R Class, ML, 2006, ML 320, 350, 500, whatever, GL, GLS, because they all use the same part, which is transfer case. The yeah, once in a while you start noticing that whenever you accelerate, the transfer case will start like skipping, making a crack 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 noise, like the chain actually skipping. I'll show you the noise. Hopefully you could hear it. This car is a 2013 GL 450, I believe, and it have 139,000 miles. So before I start taking it apart and showing you guys how to do it, how to repair this problem, which the dealer doesn't do it. You know, you could get the part outside the dealer, not through the dealer, maybe Amazon, eBay, but the dealer's not gonna sell this part. So let me switch the camera to the other side and tell you. So okay, right there. So the car has 139,000 miles. You know, you put it in drive, and even at standstill you could probably make it. So I'm stepping on the gas, the car is on drive, and I'm just gonna rev the car, see if it does it. Okay, there it is. You heard that? It's like skipping. And actually this car also needs motor mount because I feel the engine lifting, but that noise is the issue that the customer is complaining about, and the one issue that I'm gonna be fixing right now. So you can't, with that noise, you can't really accelerate like take off, because it's gonna be skipping, making that noise even louder. So now I'm gonna bring it to the shop and start setting it up and taking it apart. So I'll be stopping the video because I don't want you guys to be waiting here for a long time, because this is gonna be like a 3 maybe 4 hour job. So whenever I have something special to show you, I'll continue recording, and you know, if you have any question about it, please leave a comment. Also give me a thumbs up, like my video, that way I know that, you know, my video is helping people all over, and that will motivate me to keep on posting videos for you guys with good information, you know. So let me set up the car on the lift, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Alright guys, so I'm back. I already took the transmission support bracket right there, the transmission mount, the under panels. I got my funnel to collect the transfer case fluid. I already unplugged, disconnected, took the screws out from the rear drive shaft. Also, before putting the car on the lift, I set the car to be on neutral. So I put the car on neutral, so I'm able to spin the what the heck is this called? The drive shaft and the front drive shaft. So I took the screws out. This is not gonna come out easily, so what I do is I hit it with a long screwdriver and a hammer right on the edge. You don't want to separate this piece because this is where the grease is inside there. So you just want to hit it like right there where the mark is. That's where I was hitting it. That will split. The other one will split. This one came out easier. Then you gotta take the screws out of the from the transmission housing to the transfer case. I got 2 left. This is 1, and this is the other one. I don't think it's a bad job. It's not hard. I've got the screws here. There are 8 in total holding the transfer case. And actually these are the tools that you're gonna need to do this job. This is the chain that goes bad. It gets stretched, so that's why you hear that noise, that skipping noise, crack 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 crack, whatever. So I like to use like a small one, but this is a E12. I use it to get the screws out faster. I break them loose with a regular one. So anyway, E12, also E12 wrench, ratchet wrench, extension 16 for the under panels, of course 8mm for the panels, the plastic panels. Also this is, if you don't have a E12, 3/8 regular socket will fit into the transfer case screws, so you can use that and it's perfect. It's not gonna strip it. Extension 3/8, flashlight definitely. And this is also, you're gonna need a razor blade to scratch off the glue. So once you separate the transfer case, you're gonna have to put new glue to seal it. And this is the Mercedes-Benz glue. That's the part number that you should be using. I wouldn't recommend using anything else because the lifespan is less, way less than Mercedes-Benz, and your transfer case is gonna start leaking. This is the Mercedes-Benz gun. That's the part number, and that's the gun that goes with the glue, so it makes it easier putting the glue. So I got a little setup over here because it's gonna be a little messy. I'm gonna put the transfer case here once I take it off. So this is the drain. Mind the noise. Don't make a mess. Let it all come out. It comes out pretty quick. It's really dark. I would recommend like doing a service on the transfer case. I would say at least every 40,000. Whenever you do a transmission service, you drain this and put new fluid, and that's it. You know, it does melt, burn. So this is the drain and this is the fill. So when you fill in it, you plug this and you fill it up to there, and it's gonna start pouring out, and then you could plug it in. That's it. So right now I'm ready to take it off. I'm gonna put this plug in so it doesn't make a mess once I take it out and spill all over me. Okay, I don't know where I'm gonna put my phone, but anyway, I want to show you guys how it comes out. It's gonna be a little hard, I guess, because you gotta hit the transfer case so it breaks loose from where it's sitting with the transmission. I guess that would be fine. I'm gonna smack it a little bit with the mellow. Break it loose. it's loose. That was easy. So now, to lower this transfer case, you need a little bit of manpower right here, you know, because if not, it's gonna land on your chest. Alright, so let's see. It's a little tricky too because of the rear flex. The rear drive shaft is really in the way. So I guess I gotta get it out of the way. It looks like that's gonna be the hard part. Now I'm in trouble. I'm gonna raise the transfer case up. Yeah, you're probably gonna have to play around with it until you get a good spot to take the rear drive shaft from the actual transfer case. Like that, you're gonna have to pry. I'm trying to do this job the fastest so I don't waste your time looking at this video. I don't want to bore you guys, but it's not helping right now. Don't be surprised if you start sweating doing this job. And getting annoyed. And cursing, of course. It's part of the job. It's okay. So I'll put it back in there where it's supposed to be and then try it again. Like pry. I got it out, not out, but out of the way. So now I can lower it. Just keep a little tension on the jack. You don't want the transmission to be hanging. That's not good. Especially for the motor mount, even though this motor mounts are already shot. Because when I put it in drive and accelerate, the engine's jumpy. So, fuck you. Hey, it's okay to curse. Now I'm stuck. Fuck. You fucking asshole. Yeah, I should have taken you out. Alright, there it is. So it is heavy, but it's not that heavy. You know, it's handleable. And the part number is on the back. It's a 251 part number. So it's the same on all of them. Whew. Let me show you guys. So that's where the transfer case was sitting. This one was the one giving me a hard time. So it looks alright. no fluid leaking. If you see fluid here, or it will come from there, meaning the transfer case housing is leaking from the back there, from back there. And this is the transfer case. That's the part number 251. Now all we have to do is disassemble it. Take these screws out, all of them. Take this bracket out because it's on the way too from another screw probably. And then split it. So I'll start recording once I take it apart so I could show you the inside. See you in a bit.